Blue ribbons form the Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo. Blue ribbons form the Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo. A woman sits on a bed next to a birthing simulator. A woman with curly hair sits on a bed next to a birthing simulator, smiling. The college logo is in the bottom right corner.
I love being a midwife, but overall, it's been amazing to be able to be an instructor, to be able to be part of the journey of so many midwives that are changing our future from different states, from different backgrounds, from different cultural views.
4 women, some wearing gloves, gather around a birthing mannequin on a bed, practicing a procedure. A woman with glasses and curly hair sits on the bed, speaking with the birthing simulator behind her.
Students learn both the theoretical knowledge and clinical skills that they need to practice, as well as the local medical standard of care.
3 women stand in a room, 2 wearing medical scrubs and 1 in casual clothes, discussing a procedure. 4 women are around the birthing mannequin, observing and assisting with the simulated birth. 1 woman holds a phone, timing.
And then they also learn the midwifery skills such as good communication, shared decision-making, and informed consent.
Close-up of the birthing mannequin with a newborn mannequin on its abdomen as a gloved hand gently massages the abdomen.
All of the ways that we care for our clients and provide physical comfort and support.
The woman with glasses speaks, with the birthing simulator in the background.
We learn how to care for people outside of an institution.
A woman holds a phone displaying a timer, while others attend to the birthing mannequin. The newborn is being delivered.
They learn how to watch normal, assess for deviations from normal and warning signs, and know when to transfer safely to a higher level of care when it's needed.
4 women are actively engaged in the birthing simulation, assisting with the delivery of the newborn mannequin. A woman with dreadlocks and a colorful embroidered shirt speaks, seated in front of the birthing simulator.
Well, I believe at this point in time we're the only MEEC accredited program in a technical college, and that makes it really accessible.
3 women in a classroom setting are examining a mannequin torso, practicing medical techniques.
So our students have the ability to be able to get an accredited education in a college that offers financial aid and all the support services that a college like ours does, as well as getting a really rigorous training.
4 women continue the birthing simulation, with the newborn mannequin now fully delivered and being cared for. A woman in a green sweatshirt with "Make Childbirth Safe for Black Women" printed on it speaks, with the birthing simulator behind her.
I really like that you have that instructor connection, because most of them is like self-paced online.
The women continue to practice on the birthing mannequin, focusing on postpartum care.
So that was something that really drew me into the program, was having the instructors and the support and being able to come to campus every semester.
A woman with long hair and a t-shirt speaks, seated in front of the birthing simulator.
Outside of just like the academic part, what I love about Southwest Tech and this program specifically the most is the community. The instructors, my classmates.
5 women are in the simulation room, observing and discussing the birthing mannequin. 1 instructor points to the mannequin.
Even though we're all over the world, and even though, we sit in front of computers together for an hour, once per week, I feel so close to them and so supported by all of them.
The woman in the green sweatshirt speaks.
I've learned how to do a newborn exam.
2 people in medical attire are in a simulation room, 1 demonstrating on a mannequin that simulates postpartum hemorrhage, holding a bloody placenta model.
I've learned how to break waters if needed.
2 students and an instructor work on the birthing mannequin, practicing newborn care and umbilical cord clamping.
I've learned how to assess for dehydration, and I've learned how to manage a postpartum hemorrhage and the signs of shock and how to do resuscitation and everything pretty much. I learned a lot from this program.
The woman in the green sweatshirt speaks. The woman with dreadlocks and the colorful shirt speaks.
They could take 2 different pathways. Some, and probably the majority of our students go on and develop their own private practice, so they start a business, a midwifery business.
3 women are focused on the birthing mannequin, practicing newborn care and assessment.
But there's also the opportunity to go to work for another practice, maybe in a birth center, where they've got a little more flexibility with their work, more time off, a bit more sustainable lifestyle. So it just depends on how they feel about the direction they want to go.
The woman with curly hair speaks, gesturing with her hands.
And it's so beautiful to see how at the end of this journey, we're all a family.
A montage of students in various learning and social settings. One student uses an otoscope on another. A group of students pose for a selfie. 4 women smile together. 2 women hug. A group of students observe an instructor. 2 students chat in a classroom. A student uses a stethoscope on another student's abdomen. A student looks through a microscope. Students play hand drums. A group looks at a digital anatomy table. 3 students show off their gloved hands. A group of students in scrubs stand in front of a large SWTC sign. Drums in a circle. A group looks at a digital anatomy table. Students pose in scrubs. A college logo appears. Blue ribbons form the Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo.